Hi, love. The video I was going to be doing, or am going to be doing, is an eye makeup look inspired by she who shall remain nameless. A certain event that is keeping us indoors. So carry on watching, and I hope you enjoy my first YouTube video. So we're going to act like my ring light is not sellotaped to my camera. We're going to be using this Morphe 35B palette, a colourful bog standard palette. I've already concealed my eyelids, my balls, so I'm just going to take some powder over the top, like so, just to set the concealer that I have put down already in place. And then we're going to take this bent pencil brush and dip into this shade here, which I've lost the sheet, I've lost the colour sheet, so I had to go on Google to find some of these names. I think it's called Purplish. So we're going to start sketching out our flick with this pencil. You can be quite messy to begin with, because the concealer that we're going to put on this part is going to pull it all together, I promise you. I'm just going to pull it up here. Everyone hold your breath. Ugh. I'm just going to go back over it and kind of tidy it up, and then we're going to go in with the next colour. So I'm then going to take this Anastasia brush and go in with this red colour and just kind of buff out those edges so slightly. All I can hear is this cat keeps waving, and it sounds like a funeral procession's going past. Okay, now we got the ball rolling. So I'm gonna take this Morphe M506, which is a really nice little bullet brush, and I'm gonna go in with this orange colour, which is called Puffs. Oh, I did find out what the red was called. It's called Chicory. So we're just gonna blend this out with this little peach. And then on the same brush, I'm gonna take this lovely popping yellow colour and just go ham all over the top. Really blend it out. So I'm going to go back in and deepen it up. I'm going to this time use this little berry colour. Also, ignore my nails. Don't look at them. They are all grown out. We all know what this pandemic's doing to people. This is what it's doing to me. If you want to know what nail polish is, it's gel. So can't help you there. But Kiko does a little green one. Fun fact. Just gonna go over with a little bit of orange again. And there we have it. Stunning. I'm now going to take some of this Revolution concealer. Cheap as chips, does the job. And cut my crease. Cut this bad bitch out. You can just like sketch it on like that to begin with. Like a rough thing, and then go over it again to tidy it up, because oh, by the way, this is a BH Cosmetics brush, I think, and it is gorgeous. I have quite creasy eyes, not hooded but creasy, so I'm going to take this just a little bit higher so you can actually see it. So now I've got that on, we are going to pack this blue colour on, which is called Azure. Azure. I'm going to take that and just pack it all over. Pack it in, girls. That's the hard bit over. We're now going to take Barry M holographic eyeshadow topper, which is in the shade Asteroid. It's like a Steeler dupe. I can't afford Steeler, but it does the job. It is pretty mint. I'm going to take that and just put it all over my eye, just to add a little sparkle. A little sparkle pulls it all together. I'm just going to pat over it with the brush that we used to put the blue on. Okay, so kind of happy with that, kind of happy with the shape. Are they sisters? No. Are they cousins? Yes. But I'm not a professional. I'm going to go away and put a eyeliner on and a lash. Bye. So I'm back. I have thrown a wing on. I have thrown a pair of lashes on that I have had since Pride 2019. They have seen me in some states. So I'm gonna do the under eye. Sorry if it looks like I've got rabies. I've put my Lana lips on, which is absolutely gorgeous, but makes me look like I have been bitten by a dog. Let's get this finished. We're gonna probably end up looking like a raccoon, but I don't care because they're my favourite animal. I'm gonna take the red colour, that red colour Chicory again, and put it under my eyes. I actually tried to film this video like this is my third go. I think it went better. I think it went better than the first few times where I was like a wooden stick. So I'm just going to take that fluffy brush that we used to blend out the orange and the yellow with, take the orange and yellow and go along that. Might just take a little bit more yellow. That kind of has the effect of like when you're recovering from a black eye. Okay, and the thing that's gonna really pull this all together is this coloured kohl eyeliner. This is the NYX off Tropic. They had loads of these in Superdrug and then got rid of them before I could buy them all. So find a coloured eyeliner and fill your waterline. Now I bet you're all wondering, I wonder what that absolutely beautiful inner corner highlight is. Well, it is from this palette here, and I think you should all buy this palette just for this colour here, which is called Cullinan. It is a bedazzling bluey icy colour, and it just honestly makes you look like, oh, just exquisite. The Morphe palette doesn't quite have anything as popping. Okay, so I'm gonna just put a little lip on and we'll come back. Alright, I think we're all done. I'm actually in love with this. I think it's as extra as this thing keeping us indoors is. Bring me my champagne. I actually needed to let you into another little secret. There's this that I used as liner. This is what the girl that does my lips told me to use. It's cheap as chips and it's absolutely fabulous. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.